One sunny day, a little yellow chick was playing near the fields with its mother hen. Suddenly, it heard the cry of a human baby near the roadside. Curious and concerned, the chick ran toward the sound. There, it saw a small baby crawling onto the road, unaware of the danger. In the distance, a fast-moving car was approaching. The mother hen clucked loudly in fear, but the brave little chick didn't panic. Without wasting a moment, the yellow chick ran in front of the baby and chirped loudly to get his attention. The baby noticed the chick and started moving toward it. The chick gently nudged the baby with its tiny beak, guiding him back toward the safe side of the road. Just as they reached safety, the car zoomed past them with a loud whoosh. The baby was safe. His mother, who had been running toward him, picked him up with tears of relief. Everyone who saw the scene praised the yellow chick's bravery. Though small in size, it had a heart full of courage. From that day on, the yellow chick was known as the little hero of the village. Moral of the story: you don't have to be big to be brave. Courage comes from the heart.